welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. And Maxine is talking about why and, what happened between her and Barbisha. She's just saying that she was not, speaking up on anybody's side. However, things came out. So she's saying that the veil should be removed. So you guys have to go and catch a video to hear what she has to say, her and Barbisha's issue. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there, my subscribers, my followers, my friends, have yourself a wonderful day. And also for my lovelies celebrating their beautiful, beautiful birthdays today, I want to wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And remember, guys, that no matter what you do in life, there is always something or someone that will rise up as a friend and that will try to stop you. No, I'm not saying this is the case here. However, we have to be mindful of the people we provide with information about our lives, no matter what we're going through. Sometimes even family members may turn their backs on you, even with the little information that you give to them about your life as well. You have to be mindful of people giving you things as well, or people attaching themselves to you, becoming your friends out of nowhere. Sometimes we don't know what they're there for. Yes, at times people are genuinely there to help you, to love you, and to be with you for a long time. However, sometimes there are agendas, sometimes they're not. Sometimes we speak too much of our lives to people, and so they tend to open up to others about us, about the things that we may have said or said about our lives to them. We have to be very mindful. If these are things that we do not want to be on social media, we do not want to be exposed, we do not want to be in the public eye, we have to ensure that we keep those things to ourselves. Because it's only you, your friend, that knows your secret, and only him can reveal it. And also, if you keep those things to yourself, there is no one out there but you and God that will know. So we have to be very mindful of these things. And also, sometimes when we have friends and, we're having an issue with our friends and that friend, come out and start talking things about us then, saying things that we would have spoke to them about in a private, then that was never a good friend in the first place. So we have to ensure that we are not sitting and having these people around us. Be mindful of who you speak with. And have yourself, guys, a wonderful day.
Job, me have me man when they support me, and I have a roof over me head. I was there working, and no time after me did the work, then catch the husband with drugs and lock him up. Finally, he get deported to Jamaica. Guys, I was there working. Don't listen to that dirty, nasty girl. Like me when they live off of people. I walk, me did they walk. The woman fall pan hard times. Me practically have to take care of them. But me never worried about it because what? A roof is over me head. And this little dirty girl, why you not tell the people them say if he's never for me man, none of uno in America. Because I see man visa uno come up your pan. No for them and how much years then they and they still not have no papers. They still not have none, including you. Why you not can tell the people them that? You think your identity a secret. You think your identity a secret. You is just another one of the little dirty nastiness them who come from Jamaica was so cocky and find on the way through. You no come off a no table. You no come off a dirty nasty, dirty dirt floor like a everybody else. You think you no cream off the crap and no proper. Go sit down. You want me carry out your tour with them out here? Because I know hungry you alone me don't fall. Me they fall everybody. And that you want? And that you want? People, the girl couldn't take me out. The girl saying I've been here from me come up to New York the first time. Like how evil can you be? How evil? Me say anyone I know me see uno name pop up in my chat, me go look for you know. I go and block and delete the whole motherfucker uno don't come over my page. Do not come over my page. Anyone I know I go and watch out our page and me say anyone I know what they on my page and me see uno name in for them chat over there. Me they black uno because guess what? My enemies and my friends cannot be friends. And I sit down too long and watch you know and I don't say no. I don't say nothing. When me think back pan and hear what you said, you ate me for a long time. What happened? The dirty nasty lizard send you over here. The lizard what they change color like the iguana send you over here. Send you all fi come look admin job. Moderator job ain't good enough. You come fi come look admin job fi do what take out the page them. Go ahead and that if that you want to take them out. Go ahead and take them out. I don't give a fuck. Go ahead and take them out. You dirty nasty piece of garbage. Me say your life will never be the same. Cause what? Your papa in-law ate you like a poison. The man do ever want to hear your name. The man do ever know your name. What kind of relationship you in? You say you're married 4 years now. And the man don't even know your name. The man don't even know your name. The man don't know nothing about you. Your husband what you buy don't know nothing about you. Now make him look like I said the man call you and talk to you because the man don't talk to you. He don't talk to you. You're garbage. What them pick up off of the street. I sorry then sorry for you. I sorry then sorry for your drunk crow. I sorry then sorry for you. You can't come talk to me. You want me drop the whole on the belly bottom out here. You think when time me they make phone call and me want to really do what me I do. You think it just make simple so? You think it just make simple so you want me come out you can drop your belly bottom. But the thing is it's enough for your belly bottom alone to drop you now. Or the whole breed of uno. Extended or no extended family, it whole of uno. Me can't send ice right now go pick up the whole of uno. The whole of uno me can't send ice go pick up right now. Including you. Including you. You want to play with me? You want to come out here come play with me? Me lock me eye, you know, so me not see no comment at all. Me lock me eye. Imagine. Me say people is like a setup, you know. You know it's a setup though. Let me tell you now how the setup go. Alright? General apologize to me, right? Me and General cool. Everything cool. General start to come on my page. Whatever discussion we are talk about. Remember now, you know, keep this in mind, you know. The man plant over there, so I went upon the page as my admin. Nay in a no war with me or nobody at all. So there was no reason for me to play a live with the man plant where General they cuss the man plant. You don't know who me they call the man plant. You don't know What me I talk about. Alright? So the man plant over here good, you know. Couple months ago, this is how it all go start now, you know. Francis start go over back. Because remember say, me no know if he used to go over there. Over Lorraine. Me no know if he used to go over there, but she's on my page. And I remember one old Jezebel said to her, say, Barbisha. Me they try not to call the name. Because she no name Barbisha. She do not name Barbisha. Okay, people? Get this in our head. She no name Barbisha Bentley. It's just a Facebook name. Alright? But now you may say, whoever over Lord, they big you up. Lord, they big you up. She wrote in the comment, she not there for nobody side. Mr. Ross. Okay? She not there for nobody side. Me no look on her for the rest of the night. She did it and she go on with herself and go on with herself. I don't fuck on her. Because all what they plan for me mind is for cuss. And I don't want it was to get ugly, so I don't say nothing. It happened again one other night. Her reply, she not depend on nobody's side. The person is simply saying to her, after the history what Maxine have with them, the nastiness over there, so. You are one of her moderator. So how could you be over there? She repeat her question, her answer. She not depend on nobody's side. That's fine with me. Can't trust them. Cannot trust them. Can't trust them. Before me go any further, can you make me some vase? Can you make me some vase, Maureen? Do I need to bring you some towels to make the vase them? Because somebody want to give somebody some gift. I want to give away some gift, but I want some vase like the ones that you made for me. Do I need to bring you towels? Because I could bring you like a dozen towels to do it. Alright, thank you. I'll talk to you after the show. Because I need some vase to give away for gift. The ones that you made. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'll bring you the towels and so you could make them for me. Thanks. Miss say people not have to open on no yai. You not have to open on no yai. Because there are people coming onto no platform, coming into no life, for hurt to know. For hurt to know. How much more hurt? How much more I uno left here? For can't take me life out of my body. How much more I uno left? Because me can't do it no more. When me hear the woman ask the girl, say, what you dey do over there? So she say, she no dey on nobody's side. Me say, alright. One night me in here, they sleep. Oh, no. Things say me sit down on no platform, they watch you know. No, me no have no time for that. Me no have no time for that. By the time me done my life, me so fucking exhausted and tired, me gone straight in my bed. No for the night, me there, they talk to laugh at me. I laugh at me, I have to hang up the phone because Maxine drop asleep. Park, sir. Me I talk to Ro and me they sleep. Yes, me I talk to them because they are my moderators. And we have things that we have to go over and talk about after the show end. My show and a planned show, me they come out, can't do this, me I come out, can't do that. I'll give away my life and don't have one, Maureen. That's just me. And me ever give people the benefit of a doubt. Or when people say to me, Maxine, this and that and that. No, me always give people the benefit of a doubt. You're an evil motherfucker. May I tell you, you're worse than everybody else on the social media, yeah. Because at least them not sit down and study how then they go come into you and hurt you. You wicked to fuck. The girl sit down and plan every move, but me went 10 blood clots step a uno. 10 step a uno. And me say, the night me go up on her live because somebody direct me to the live, say me name the call up. And I go over there. And when me go over there, I make myself present. Mac, when just the talk about you. Mac, when just the talk about you. And I write on the comment and I said, what were you guys talking about? Me say. And me can't get no answer. And then me ear say, me over there they encourage general over here, skuda, appear, skuda. So I'm like, what the fuck? Right then and there, I want to say to her, me no depend on nobody's side. Like what she said to me. I didn't do it. I never do it. I call laugh at me and talk to laugh at me about it. Until I say what me want to do and what me want to do. And she give me a stern talking. And she said that was your opportunity to say to her, you know, depend on nobody's side either. But I didn't do it. I walk away. It's been months. It's been months, and as it come out of her mouth, it's been months that she been saying she's coming off of the page because say, scuba there over there, scuba there over there. You all know the thing that me and her have, where General apologized to me. Why am I going to still have her up in my stomach? Why am I going to say, no, come on my page? Why am I going to say this and say that? No, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. So I still talk to her. Because you say you're sorry and you move on. Me move on too. This little nasty done out old girl what piss no bun grass. Because me not bother talk about the incident what take place between me and you no more, you know. You cause you joined the done out bottom girl there. You joined the done out pussy girl. You joined the no piss no bun grass people them. So all of them where you see them piss no bun grass and that they will never know what it is to hold a newborn baby. No, me say the whole of them giant team. Yeah man, them giant team. And me they go cuss out them nasty, dirty, stinking bumbo. I don't care who want to say me they go up under who. Me know who me they go up under. Because you should have no say you should have never fuck around me. That dirty, nasty, stinking Michelle, you forget, see, you call CPS down here for me and my grandpitney. Me not responsible for my grandpitney them. You went think about my daughter. Me say me no call it back yet pan that dirty, nasty, chicken foot one. Me no call it back yet. I no believe me not call it back. No believe me not call it back as any timing can take out the dick out and grand pitney throat. I the uno come fuck around me. Me see one woman tell you, you know. Yesterday when you they bring up the argument, the lady tell you say and tell Lorraine say, Lorraine, why you have this woman on your page? No Jesus Christ, then they go come for you. Because me know when they talk about nobody who know how no pick me or nothing like that, me simple when they say to uno say, why is that girl making 13 and Lady V cuss for her when she no have no pick me? Me name come out here come cuss the little done bottom girl say she ain't got no pick me. But since you no want me fi tell you no with me big mouth, make me tell you no with no done bottom no pitney self. Piss no bun grass dollar lay down $2 fuck. Man dead pan you. Yes! You no want me tell you no the story? I will give it to no and no big old dirty done ras. Cause I done no done. You steam out the whole of your bumbo that not repeat you can't have. God lock up for you no home. Lucky, and that's where the key cannot even Satan can't find the key. Fi open back for you no big old done bumbo. You no can't have no pitney, you no will not get none. You know what me tell you no? Me now with me say me they take off everything today. Me say, you know what me fi tell you no? Make me tell you no. You no bumbo down and drop a ground. Done and drop a ground. Did I mention anyone or uno in my conversation? Did I cuss you? Did I do anything? All I said to you, I don't want the fuckery on my page. Look where you gone. Look where you gone. That you when they set up. You when they set up for me. You and your dirty nasty friend them where you carry over here and the one them where you over here will fly and gone over there. Uno no come back. Don't come back. Do not come back because I'm going salt and pepper on no bumbo. Don't come back over here. Because you and that the one that sit down and plan that they go tell you how much. She give me money and me thief her money. She give me money if you do nails. And nails she give me if you do. Me do me nails. Me go do me nails. It fucking people them not even do it good. That's why the money go to waste. And you don't go tell Barbisha, say, me, you give me money and who give me money if you do ear and nail. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Don't do it. I hate a fucking hypocrite. If you go tell me, say me yeah I read, tell me say me yeah I read it, me and you fi cuss me quick cuss. I saw me stay. Don't go back at me. Don't go back at me and go call me name. Cause that me no like. And you and her sit down now, no plan. The night, you know, when they go happen, you know. And I said I don't want to be in the mix-up. You, Madalashi. You, Madalashi, say it's too late now because you're in the mix-up already. What blood clot mix? Oh, you have the, you know when plan it. You know when plan it, but it you know fail because one way expects me when they go say and do, I didn't do it because you know keep doing it, you know. And more than one time the conversation they come up and she say, she no depend no side. But you know when expect me if he come out with me big mouth and say something pertaining to the argument that time. And I did not. I did not. You understand? So you know feel this so. But girl, let me tell you something. It's just a matter of time for the people them put out the whole of your family picture them. Cause I don't know what they hide. Me know people what people will know you. Know you good for your girl. For your dirty, nasty, barefoot girl. Yeah. So no think no. I wonder which one of the family part you come from, if for the Stevens part or the Mackenzie. I wonder which one of the part. Because the Thompson name is your husband name. But me sit down at the wonder if the Stevenson part you come from or the Mackenzie part. Or which one of the part you come from.